Okay, here's example number 2 for you. This one looks like one on your assignment, so pay close attention. So we need to solve the equation 1/2 times the quantity 2n plus 6 equals 5n minus 12 minus n. Okay, looks like we have some simplifying to do. So let's look at this expression on this side and simplify. Whenever I see parentheses, you automatically think distribution. So whatever number is out in front, including the sign with it, gets distributed in here and multiplied by everything inside. Okay, the good thing about having a 1/2 on the outside is it just means we take half of everything on the inside. If we do 1/2 times 2n, that's half of 2, which is 1. So we have 1n. And then 1/2 times 6 is just half of 6, which is 3. Okay, not so bad. So don't freak out when you see that fraction out there. It's actually not too bad. Okay, so this side is simplified. Let's see what we can do to simplify this side. This side, I have a 5n, and I see that I have a negative n as well. These two things can be combined together. So I have 5 n's, and I'm taking away 1 n. Remember, if there's not a number in front, there's just an invisible 1. So if I have 5 n's and taking away one of them, that leaves me with 4. And then I still have minus 12. That wasn't touched. Okay, this is looking much simpler. Now let's solve this equation. We need to work on getting all of our n's, our n variables on one side, and our 1's or our constants on the other side of the equal sign. And it's looking like since there's more variables on this side, let's move all of the variables on this side and all of our constants or our numbers on this side. Okay, so that means this n is out of place. It doesn't belong on this side, it belongs over here. So it needs to go away on this side. So I need to combine n with its 0 pair. So that would just be a negative n. And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on both sides. Keep everything balanced, and let's see what that leaves us with. N minus n is 0. And then I still have a positive 3. Then I have 4n minus n. And remember, if there's not a number there, it's just assumed that there's a 1. So we have 4 n's minus 1 n's, leaves me with 3 n's. Okay, and then I still have minus 12. Okay, now looking at how things are grouped out, I have this minus 12 over here, and it's on the wrong side of the equal sign. It belongs on this side with the 1's or the constants. So I need to combine negative 12 with its 0 pair. Its 0 pair would be a positive 12. So remember to do it on both sides. 3 and 12 combine to be 15. And then I have 3n and a negative 12 and a positive 12 add to be 0. So I don't need to write anything for that. Then finally, I have 15 equals 3n. So I'm going to divide these n's into 3 groups. So divide by 3, and you have to do it on both sides to keep everything balanced. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm left with 1n, and this is equal to 15 divided by 3 is 5. All that work, and we found that our variable n is equal to 5. That is my final answer. Okay, no more lesson videos. I didn't include a homework example video because these were pretty much examples just from your assignment. So go ahead and move on to your assignment and let me know how it goes. Good luck.